it's Kristen with the Half Hill Auction Group. I'm here with Big Jim and Little Jim and our listing partner Gina Taylor Bertrand of the agency. We're at 3263 North Cleveland Road here in Lexington. This property is going to be offered at absolute auction on Saturday, November the 24th at 10 a.m. The public preview is also going to be on Sunday, November the 18th from 2 to 4. We have peaceful country living within just a short distance to downtown Lexington. We're situated on approximately 46 acres. This is a former horse boarding and training facility known as Windy Knoll Farm. You have a total of 27 stalls, 2,600 square foot house with additional guest house. You have indoor and outdoor arenas, everything that you could need for a great horse facility. Take a look around.
For more details, folks, check us out at halfhillauctions.com. Don't forget, preview is Sunday, November the 18th from 2 to 4 p.m. And join us live on site Saturday, November the 24th at 10 a.m. halfhillauctions.com.